Chapter 3.3 Multiplication and Division Property of Inequalities, Case 2. If multiply or divide each side of an inequality by the same negative number, the direction of inequality symbol must be reversed. In this case, I'm multiplying with the negative to both the numbers. So I'm getting here 12 less than negative 16, which is not true. It will not be true until I switch the inequality or reverse the inequality. So I have to reverse the inequality in order to make it true. In the second problem, I'm dividing with negative 2. I get here negative 3 greater than 4, which is not true. To make it true, I have to switch this inequality and then it will be a true inequality. Okay, so anytime I divide or multiply with negative number, then the inequality is going to be reversed. For next problem, I'm going to solve for x. So it means I have to remove the negative 6 from the bottom. So which means that I'm going to multiply the negative 6 both sides. So what I get here is x is greater than negative 18. Remember to switch the inequality when you multiply with negative. Next question is, to solve for x, we are going to divide with negative 5. And you're going to get x is greater than negative 6. But we're going to reverse the inequality. So we're going to erase this one and switch it this way. So x is less than negative 6. So for example number 3, we are going to multiply both sides by negative 3 in order to remove the negative 3 from the bottom, and then y is going to be by itself. But do not forget to switch the inequality, so it's going to be y less than negative 6. So now we're going to graph this on a number line. You make an open circle on top of negative 6, and then it's going to go to the less than direction or graph towards the less than direction. So to solve the next one, you're going to divide with negative 7 on both sides. When you divide or multiply by negative, you're going to switch the inequality. So it's going to be y greater than equal to 5. And now you're going to make a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on top of 5, you're going to use the closed circle, and it's going to go to the greater side or greater side in the number line. For number 7, you're going to multiply with negative 4 on both sides. So 4 and 4 cancel. P is greater than negative 28. Now make a number line a little bigger so that negative 28 can fit on that. So here P is greater than negative 28. I made this number line. So negative 28 would be right here somewhere. And here you're going to make an open circle on top of 28, and it's going to go to the greater side of the number line. For number 10, you're going to divide with negative 9 and switch the inequality. So m is less than negative 7. To graph m is less than negative 7, you make a circle on the top of negative 7, and it's going to go to the less than side. For number 10, I'm going to multiply with negative 5 on both sides. So whenever we multiply with negative, this inequality is going to switch. So it was less than equal to, now is greater than equal to. So x is greater than equal to 25. So negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. Now we're going to make a closed circle on top of 25, and it's going to go to the greater side. For number 11, you're going to divide with negative 2 on both sides. So r is less than equal to 11. On a number line on top of 11, you're going to make a closed circle. So here is going to be a closed circle on top of 11, and it's going to go to the less than direction. So for number 9, when we solve this, we're going to solve for z. It means we need to remove the 10 from the bottom and a negative sign. So that's why we're going to multiply negative 10 on both sides. So this negative cancel with this negative. 10 is cancelled with 10. So negative 10 is going to be less than equal to z. Remember to switch the inequality. In other words, we're going to rewrite this that z is greater than equal to negative 10. We made the number line where we're going to show at least up to number negative 10. On top of negative 10, I'm going to make a closed circle because it's a line underneath. It means it's going to be a closed circle. Z is greater than equal to negative 10, so it means it's going to the greater side. For number 12, you're going to divide with negative 0.4 on both sides. When you're multiplying or dividing with negative, you're going to switch this inequality. So it's going to be y less than equal to 30. Now to make a number line, we're going to show at least up to 30. So I'm going to use 10, 20, 30, 40 so that I can show the 30 number 30 on the number line. Make a closed circle on top of 30, so it's going to go to the less than direction, so in this direction.